Glossy, spicy, mouth-watering. This is Jamaican Jerk Chicken, oven style with the bold taste of Grace. Start with well-washed chicken quarters and split the joints so the seasoning can soak in deep. First, season with Grace All-Purpose. Then add Grace Jerk Marinade, Grace Jerk Barbecue Sauce, Grace Tomato Ketchup, and finally a splash of Grace Browning for that dark, signature jerk color. Mix and rub it all in, under the skin and into every corner. Cover and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. Or even better, overnight for maximum flavor. Preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and roast for 40 minutes, letting all that Grace flavor soak into the meat. When the time is up, baste the chicken with the juices left in the pan, making sure every piece stays juicy and full of flavor. Juicy, saucy, and full of authentic Jamaican flavor. Grace Foods USA, bringing Jamaica to your table. Now, that's a good move.